Hello friends, for today's video we'll be learning the lateral buoy system, how to differentiate them, how to remember them the easy way, which will come very handy while giving orals as well as for the navigation. So without further ado, let's start our video. The very first question is, what is IALA? The full form of IALA is an International Association of Lighthouse Authorities. This association brings together representatives of the aids to navigation services about 80 countries for the technical coordination, information sharing, and the coordination of improvements for the aids to navigation throughout the world. In the simple words, it's to look after all the lights and sound signals which can be used as a navigation aid. The IALA created a buoy system to prevent the number of accidents while navigating pilotage through the traffic, congested waters, and a guide vessel of nearby dangers, and also the safe water. Also, many of the port uses buoys as a tool to anchor or a made fast vessel, especially tankers, which due to the port's special geography need to made fast far away from the port. There are different types of buoys used for different types of meaning, which can be identified by shape, color, top marks, rhythm of light, and color of light, like the lateral buoys, the cardinal buoys, the isolated danger mark, safe water mark, special marks, and a new danger. So in today's video, we'll be learning about lateral buoys, which used to denote a channel or extremities of channel. Now let's talk about the region. This world is divided into two regions, the region A and the region B. In the region A includes Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Africa, the Gulf countries, and the most of Asian countries, where the port buoys are red and the starboard buoys are green. And the region B includes remaining parts of the world, which are North, South, Central America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines, where the port buoys are green and starboard buoys are red. The buoys come in different shapes, like spar, the pillar, the spear, the cone, the can, and the barrel. There's a very important point to remember whether you are in region A or region B. It's a lateral buoy or preferred channel buoy. Always remember can to port and cone to starboard. Because there are some governments in the world which are not very equipped to maintain the buoy system, so the color of buoy or the shape of buoy may be damaged, so the top mark always matters the most. Now we look for the lateral marks of region A. So for the region A, the port hand buoy, the color is obvious, red. The shape can be can, pillar or spar. The top mark is single red can, and the retro tip will be red band or square. And the same for starboard hand, the color will be green. The shape can be conical, pillar or spar. The top mark is single green cone pointing upward, and the retro tip will be green band. Nighttime is very easy to remember. Any rhythm of light other than composite groove flashing 2+1, because we'll be using 2+1 for the preferred channel, and the color is obvious. For the port is red and for the starboard is green. Some people get confused in preferred channel very often. It's very easy to remember. Like I said before, we have to keep can to the port side and cone to the starboard side. So for the preferred channel to starboard, we'll be keeping can to the port side. That's it. And the details as follow. For the preferred channel to starboard side in region A, the color will be red with one broad green band, and the shape can be pillar, can or spar. The top mark is single red can. The retro tip will be red band or square. And the preferred channel to port is, the color will be green with one broad red band. The shape can be conical, pillar or spar. The top mark is single green cone pointing upward, and retro tip will be green band or triangle. And the lights will be, as I said earlier, the composite groove flashing 2+1. For the preferred channel to starboard is red, and preferred channel to port is green. This is an overview of region A of a daytime and overview of nighttime. The lateral marks in region B, everything will be the same except the colors and light will be swapped. For the port and buoy in region B, the color will be green, the shape can be can, pillar or spar, the top mark will be fitted with single green can and the retro tape will be the green band or square. And for the starboard hand, the color will be opposite red, the shape will be conical, pillar or spar, the top mark will be the single red cone pointing upward and the retro tape will be the red band or a triangle. And in the night time, the port and buoy color will be green and the starboard hand buoy color will be red. The rhythm will be anything other than composite groove flashing 2+1. Preferred channel to starboard in region B, the color will be green with one broad red band. Shape can be can, pillar or spar. Top mark is single green can. The retro tape will be the green band or square. At the same time, preferred channel to port in region B is the color red with one broad green band and the shape can be conical, pillar or spar. The top mark is single red cone pointing upward. The retro tape will be the red band or a triangle. And in the night time, preferred channel to starboard, the color will be green, composite groove flashing 2+1. And for the preferred channel to port, the color of light will be red. The rhythm is composite groove flashing 2+1. This is an overview of lateral marks in region B and overview of nighttime. So this brings us end to our video. If you like the video, subscribe, like, click the bell icon and share.